ride.
What is this?
Koa. Hop up, bub.
Can't do this, man. My glasses.
Your glasses are gonna be getting
You're
wet.
gonna melt.
No, I know, but you know how annoying this
That's why I wore a hat today.
Yeah. Wear a hat.
I don't wear.
Guess I don't need it. That's why I wore contacts.
Were you fixing your hair?
No, I was fixing the hat because my hair was falling out.
Oh!
We
Called it.
Yeah. Do you want to hold me out here? I can't shut it now. That kid before was like, happy birthday. And I was like, thanks. He's like, wait, it is your birthday? Yes. What? Daddy, I found cool rocks.
Very cool.
Yeah, I don't see any river. Oh, that's why. It's really pretty. Steven, come. Dad, come. Come, look at them.
Did anybody else hear little kids screaming in the background?
Don't touch that.
Kyrick. Yeah, watch out for the ditch.
Careful for that exact ditch.
That exact one.
Careful for that exact ditch. Mom, the stairs are crazy.
No, they're beautiful.
And scary. They're scary. They're so high and I'm too scared.
It's all right. Here, do you want to hold my hand? You good? Okay.
Yeah, these are like.
Hey, go over to the right.
Stay to the right.
It's just a dead end, but it's just supposed to
Here, can we all?
It's like a big ship. Cake rock?
I get it.
A giant slice of cake. What is it? What is it, Finn?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's markings there.
Mom, Kana might want to come see this.
LGK and J and some others. What are you doing, Finn?
Okay.
Good job, Finn. Way to be helpful.
Oh, what is that?
Just a stick.
Watch out for his color.
Ooh. What? Did you get a splinter? Okay, let's be real careful here because these are steep steps.
We know.
Here. Finn, how about you hold the handrail? Go hold my hand. What happened? You got a splinter? Okay, go to Mama. Finn, you hold my hand. Yeah, we'll go down here.
Cool.
Huh. That's where we just came from.
Well, and because it's slick, because it's wet.
Let me get down.
You're okay, Carl.
Into that and waterfall. We just took some showers.
Okay, but I'd like to understand that crosswalk. Finley, you're doing so good to help your brother.
That's so nice of you. Finley, no. Do not carry him. That's actually not making it safer, okay? Good job, guys. Way to climb high. Look at these cool spot. Should we explore down in the creek?
No. Yes.
Y'all are weird.
I need a baby.
Use Kyrick. Woo!
Drop the baby. The baby. Check it. More baby. Check it. Sorry, Simba. Wait, hold on. How's it go? Oh, rocks.
Look, someone was stacking some rocks.
Oh, God. Should we make our very own walk path? Yeah, we should make our very own walk path.
Oh, that was a big one. Parrot.
Nice swimming pool. See, if we'd have climbed up there, we would have been right. We'd look weird. Yeah, is that scary?
Yeah. Whoa.
Look at this.
That's where the waterfall is leading.
Yep, that goes to the waterfall. Up the creek. Way up there.
Dad, I see an animal.
What animal do you see?
Right there. It's under that leaf. Under, you can't see it. You'll just see it. Dad, they crouched down. See?
Oh, it's a bird down there, yeah. Right down in there somewhere. A little birdie. Right up. Hi, cuties. Are you happy to be hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The river.
Yeah, that's like a little falls.
Cleared that out, made it deep without doing awesome swimming pool. People will play so
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Hey, baby, you want to shine up here? That is cool. Way up there. Big spiders.
I think it was 600 feet through if I read that correct. Maybe not. Here, Eddie.
Here, Koa. Watch where you're stepping. Don't step in the water. Step over. Good job.
I jumped so. Only I can
It's not water.
Yeah. It's just mud.
Mud is not water. Oh,
Here.
this is mud.
That's mud.
Okay, honey, you got my phone?
Mom, are you
You taking any pictures here? Can I have it real quick?
muddy mud?
Okay, hold on.
Hey, no, just wait.
Hold on.
We're gonna hold your hand, okay? The boys made it.
But I have a muddy hand.
How cool is that? A little salamander. And that. Oh.
Can't pick it up, Dad? There are so many spiders.
No, don't pick it out. Just leave it.
Why? Here, I'll take it. Bush salamander.
The water's just running down that.
That must be why it likes it, because it's water.
Keegan's eyes are glowing.
Why'd they do that? Is that not on purpose?
Oh, no, that's perfect. Yeah, that's all we needed.
Dad, why did they do that?
Who knows? It might have been because
Hey, don't worry about
caved in.
This carabiner is a.
Hey, Dad.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Dad?
This one looks better. It looks like it's glow in the dark. What?
Okay, now you need to take some
Oh, you guys think like dill pickle?
Now you got to take awesome.
Just so pretty.